In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuillBot A Writer, how to use QuillBot. We'll walk through a quick, beginner-friendly way to access QuillBot's AI tools and generate quality writing with just a prompt. No prior experience needed, just follow along on your computer. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. This is the fastest way to find the official site, especially if you don't remember the exact URL. In the Google search bar, type QuillBot. Take a moment to double-check the spelling so you land on the right results. From the search results, click on the official QuillBot website. Look for the result that clearly shows the QuillBot.com domain. If you see ads or similar names, make sure you choose the official link. Once the homepage loads, you'll see that QuillBot offers a variety of tools designed to help with writing and editing. On the homepage, find and click on View More Tools. This expands the full lineup of what QuillBot can do, including paraphrasing, summarizing, checking grammar, and more. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the tool labeled AI Chat, which is QuillBot's AI writer. Click on AI Chat. This is QuillBot's conversational writing assistant that can compose, rewrite, expand, or summarize content based on your instructions. Think of it like a chat where you describe what you need and it returns a polished draft. This is especially handy for brainstorming, first drafts, and improving clarity and tone. In the chat box, type your prompt. For example, you could write a blog intro about healthy eating. When you craft a prompt, be as clear as possible. If you have a target audience, tone, or length in mind, include it. For instance, you might say, write a friendly 120-word blog intro about healthy eating for beginners, focusing on simple tips. The more context you give, the more tailored the result will be. When you're happy with your prompt, click Submit. QuillBot will generate a response in a few seconds. Read through the output and decide what you like. If it's close but not perfect, refine your prompt by clarifying the tone, adding key points, or asking it to rewrite or expand specific parts. You can continue the conversation in the same chat to improve the results step by step. That's all you need to get started. By searching for QuillBot, opening the official site, exploring more tools, and using AI chat with a clear prompt, you can quickly create effective content. Try different prompts, iterate on the results, and use the tool to save time while keeping your writing purposeful and polished.